Today I'm making a super easy creamy chicken broccoli, pollo cremoso con brócoli. For this recipe, I'm using 1 pound of chicken tenderloin and I'm gonna cut into smaller pieces, about this size. We add some avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of better than bouillon. Mix it well, and in a pan set to medium heat, we're gonna start cooking the chicken. After 8 minutes, our chicken is ready and we set aside. Now we're gonna set the same pan to low-medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it melts, we saute 3 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 of a small white onion, saute for about a minute. Then we add 1 cup of sour cream, mix it in, and we add half a teaspoon of better than bouillon and 1 cup of a mixture of Parmesan and Mozzarella cheese. Mix until the cheese is melted, and we add 1/3 cup of milk. Mix until well incorporated, and once it looks like this, it's ready. Now we can return the chicken. And then we add 9 ounces of steamed broccoli. We cover it up and let it simmer for about a minute. It's been a minute and our creamy chicken broccoli is now ready. It looks so delicious. I really like this meal. It takes less than 30 minutes to make and my whole family loves it. And this dish pairs perfectly with some white rice. All right guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly guys, this chicken is so delicious. It's really creamy. It's perfect. The best part is that you do it in under 30 minutes, and now that my son is playing soccer again, these are the perfect meals because we are always on a rush. So if you've never tried it, this is your chance to make it. It's so good. And there you have it, delicious pollo cremoso. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.